Hey everyone. So, in our previous video, we have completed the first unit of artificial intelligence. So, from this video, I am going to start the computer networks and internet protocols. So, I have covered the first unit of artificial intelligence and I'll be tagging the link to the playlist. You can check it out. So, let's start our new subject. And the first unit of computer networks and internet protocols has the syllabus of what is the internet, network edge, the network core, delay, loss and throughput in packet switch networks, reference models, multimedia networks, guided transmission media, wireless transmission. So let's start this very first unit of Cn&Ip with the first topic. What is the internet? So in general, this topic is not going to come for the exam in 10 marks, but you should know what is the topic, and yeah, it can be asked in 2 marks. There's a chance. And one more thing is that you can easily google them, or you can get answers from ChatGPT. It's easy, they do give answers, but there are some few points or some key points that has to be written in the exam. In the university exam, they don't check for the content or the information present in the answer sheet. They just need some key points that are in general mentioned in the textbooks or the referred by the universities. So if you write those points, it will be easy for the invigilator to grant marks. So I have gone through the materials or the university textbooks, and I have collected the textbook in content which can easily get you marks. So let's get back to the topic. What is the internet? Internet is a vast global network of interconnected private and public computer networks that uses a standardized protocol suite like TCP and IP to enable communication and information between millions to billions of computer devices throughout the world. It is also described as the network of networks. Internet is also described as the network of networks because it links millions of private, public, academic, business, government networks globally. It enables users to access a wide range of services such as websites, emails, applications, etc. You can access multiple functionalities using internet. It has some key facilities like global connectivity. As the internet is a worldwide system linking the computers and devices from various organizations and individuals. Protocols. Internet relies on common set of protocols like TCP/IP to ensure that different networks and devices can understand and also communicate with each other. Services and applications. Services like www.com, emails, Yahoo, etc. are created on the basis of network. They provide functionalities and access to information, communication, and to perform online transactions too. Network of networks. Internet is composed of numerous smaller networks such as LAN, MAN, WAN. So we call it as network of networks. These are some key points which you have to be writing in the exam. They'll easily get you marks. So it's just a important point. You just need to know about what this is. Protocol. Protocol is a format and an order of messages that is exchanged between two or more communicating entities, as well as the actions taken on the transmission of a change or a message. Working of network. So till now we have covered what internet means, what it has facilities, etc topics. But how the internet actually works? The internet works with the help of client and server system. The client can be a laptop, mobile, etc., which is directly connected to the internet. So the client is a part which is directly connected to the internet. Meanwhile, the servers are computers that are indirectly connected to the internet, and they store all the websites in those large computers. These servers are connected to the internet with the help of Internet Service Provider (ISP), and it is identified with an IP address. Each website has its own domain name and an IP address. So when we search for a domain name in browser, the request is sent to the server and it tries to find the IP address from the domain name. After this, server will try to search the IP address of the domain name server, that is DNS. Once the IP address is found from, then the browser will pass on the request to the respective server. Then it processes the request and displays the content of website that the client has requested earlier. Then it processes the request and displays the content of website that the client wants or they have requested earlier. So this is how the internet works. So this is the very first topic of the computer networks and internet protocols. So in our next video, we can discuss about the network edge. So I'll be making a separate playlist for the computer networks and internet protocols. So that's it for this video. Keep learning.